Hello everyone, my name is Maxime Chagnot and today I'm going to show you how we can use the Dassault Systèmes Knowledge base. So if you have a problem, the first thing you should do is to check the knowledge page. And for doing that, you need to go to 3ds.com and then go to support. From there, you can click on knowledge base. You have to log in with your user account. You can see some recent article from here, or you can just do a search. And I will do a search on the release I'm working on, the 19X 3D experience. Okay, and from there, you can just write your problem directly here and search it, or I can just already search the problem already existing. And as you can see, I will just select view. Okay, so we can see here that we already have a filter, 3D experience R19X. Okay, great. And I will just select one of these articles. As you can see, this is how it works. You have a question already asked by one user and you have an answer done by the support. I can show you another example. As you can see, this problem is still in revision, meaning that it will be fixed in the next hotfix or next release. Thank you for watching.